Everyone's chasing the big AI names, NVIDIA, Palantir, OpenAI. But what if the real opportunity is in logistics? BigBear.ai is quietly building the decision layer for AI-powered supply chains, and Wall Street is barely noticing. Let's zoom out. AI isn't just about chatbots. It's about making real-world decisions, fast and impactful. In logistics, decisions happen in the blink of an eye, rerouting trucks, predicting delays, managing inventory. BigBear is the brain behind it all. BigBear's platform processes everything from weather to traffic to geopolitical risks. It doesn't just analyze, it recommends. It's already in use by the US military, defense contractors, and commercial logistics firms. This isn't just talk, it's real. Global logistics is a $9 trillion industry, and post-COVID, efficiency is key. Governments are pouring money into resilient supply chains, and BigBear is embedded in those contracts. Despite its growing revenue, it's underfollowed and undervalued. That's where the real opportunity lies. Not in the headlines, but in the fundamentals. This isn't financial advice, but here's my take. Small-cap tech with real-world utility is where the disruption happens. I'm not chasing trends. I'm focused on fundamentals, and BigBear checks all the boxes. Let's dive into the fundamentals of BigBear.ai. This isn't just a concept stock. They're generating real revenue. In Q1 2025, they reported $34.8 million, a 5% increase year over year. That growth is fueled by new contracts with the Department of Homeland Security and digital identity programs. These are real deployments, not just ideas on paper. Check out the revenue chart comparing Q1 2024 to Q1 2025. Look at those logos, DHS and digital identity. They've secured significant government contracts, which is a big deal. Now, let's talk about their financial health. They reduced long-term debt by $58 million through voluntary note conversions. That's a strong signal. Insiders and investors are betting on future growth. Plus, they raised $64.7 million from warrant exercises. This boosts their cash balance to $107.6 million. That's serious cash for expansion, R&D, and strategic moves. Check out the debt reduction graphic and cash balance bar chart. Warrant conversions show insider confidence in the company. Bottom line, BigBear isn't just surviving, they're thriving. They're cleaning up their balance sheet and securing contracts. That's pretty rare. And for thesis-driven investors, this is a green flag. This is a clear signal that fundamentals are improving. We're seeing an asymmetric setup in motion. Want to track your own investing thesis? Download my free thesis tracker below. Subscribe for more insights like this, where we connect people and build wealth. See you in the next thesis.